kids!
Welcome to Alphabet Adventures. Today we are going to learn all about the letter A. Sound of the letter A.
The letter A makes a special sound. Sometimes it sounds like A as an apple, and other times it sounds like ah as an alligator. Let's practice saying the sound together. A and ah.
Words that start with A for apple.
Say A.
A for ant.
Say A.
A for airplane. Airplane.
Say A.
A for alligator. Alligator.
Say ah.
A for anchor. Anchor. Shore. A for axe. A sea.
Say A.
A for angel. Angle.
Say A.
A for arrow. Arrow.
Oh, say A.
A for acorn. Acorn.
Say
A
A.
for astronaut. Astronaut.
Say ah.
Let's spell
Together, A-P-P-L-E. The A in apple sounds like A. Spell it with me. A-N-T. The A in ant sounds like A. Let's spell it together. I-R-P-L-A-N-E. The A in airplane sounds like A. Spell it with me. A-L-L-I-G-A-T-O-R. The A in alligator sounds like ah. Let's spell it together. A-N-C-H-O-R. The A in anchor sounds like ah. Spell it with me. A-X-E. The A in axe sounds like A.
Let's spell it
Together, A-N-G-E-L. The A in angel sounds like A. Arrow with me, A-R-R-W. The A in arrow sounds like A. Let's spell it together, A-C-O-R-N. The A in acorn sounds like A. Spell it with me, A-S-T-O-N-A-U-T. The A in astronaut sounds like ah. Fun activity around you that starts with the letter A. Ask a grown-up to help you look. Listen to the sound of the A in the words you find. Remember, learning letters and their sounds can be fun. Keep practicing and soon you'll be an alphabet master. See you next time on Alphabet Adventures.